guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. A couple weeks ago we put a set of Snowflake 20-inch wheels and Nitto 420s on the truck, but they were 285/50s, a little small for this truck, having a 2.5-inch level up front and a 2-inch lift block set in the rear. But the video did pretty well. Seemed like a lot of you guys like the look of the Nittos on the truck. So what we have today is yet another set of 20x12s, but this time with 305/50 Nittos. And let me show you, because they're right back here. And here it is. We kind of have the whole lineup chilling. We got the stock 18s, 265/65s that came on the truck. These are the wheels and tires that we had on a couple weeks ago. These are stock 20-inch Snowflakes, powder coated black with 285/50. Skip this for a second. These are what we normally run on this truck all the time, 20x12, -44 black rhinos with an Toro Trailblade XT 33/12/50 tire. And this is going to be kind of our middle ground here between these two. This is what we run on the truck all the time. Stand style, looking sexy, 33x12/50 mud tire look. Actually with a screw in it. Check that guy out. 20x12, -44, 33x12/50 mud tire. Looks awesome, aggressive stance, love it. We had the opportunity to put these on a couple weeks ago. Factory 20-inch wheel, probably 8 or 9.5 inches wide, nothing too crazy. 285/50 Nitto 420S, well, at least what's left of it. But 285/50, this runs to be like a 31x11.5 wheel and tire combination. This though, these are Hardrock wheels, also 20x12, -44, just like my black rhinos. But this has the biggest Nitto 420S that you could put on, which is a 305/50/20, which kind of turns out to be like a 32/12.5. So middle ground of diameter, 31, 32, 33, and we got that nice aggressive stance with a 20x12 wheel just like this, and also a 12/50 tire just like this. I don't know, I hope I didn't lose you guys. So this is what I've been wanting to try on this truck for a long time. Look at that sexy tire tread pattern. We're gonna see how it looks on this truck with some stance, because I mean, we had these on a couple weeks ago, which looked really, really good, but I wanted to see what it looked like stanced out, and I wanted to see what it looked like with a bigger tire. So here we go. Once again, thank you to all my friends who let me borrow their wheels and tires for videos. All right, so I hope I didn't lose anybody there. Sorry for all the confusion if there was any. It's just really cool outside, and I got tons of wheels and tires constantly going on and off this truck, and I'm getting kind of sick of it, to be honest. It's a lot of work every day just coming out here putting wheels and tires on this truck. A lot of lug nuts, a lot of lug nuts. But anyways, literally the past two videos, I showed time lapses of me swapping the wheels and tires on this truck, so I'm not gonna put you guys through that now. I'm just gonna get these on the truck, and I'm gonna show you some B-roll here of the truck, how it is normally with the black rhinos and mud tires. I'm gonna show you a little bit of B-roll here with the Snowflakes and the 285/50s, and then the third sequence of B-roll you're about to see is gonna be with these sexy guys here, the 305/50s, and I don't know. Stay tuned. I hope you like the way it looks. Check it out. All right, guys, what do you think? I think it looks pretty good. You got this wide and low stance. Look at that, looks good, but you have the convenience of having a really quiet tire and a tire with a really cool tread pattern also. Now, I will be honest with you, it still does rub a little bit. I guess with the negative 44, 12 wide and the negative 44, and a 12.5-inch wide tire, it still does rub a little bit right there, full lock, reverse and forward, but really, it's not as bad because this tire doesn't have like the aggressive sidewall that like my Toro does. So like it's not really gonna eat anything up, it's just kind of rub a little bit. So not too bad. Like I said before, 2.5-inch level up front, 2-inch lift blocks in the rear, Nitto 420S's, 305/50s on a 20-inch wheel. The wheels are 20 by 12, negative 44. Still have a little bit of rubbing left, but really not too bad. I like it. These look a lot better than the stock 20 Snowflakes and the 285/50s. I just think these are bigger, so they fit the truck a lot better. They don't look like too small or anything like that, so it's really nice. All right, that's really all I got for you guys. Just putting another set of wheels on the Silverado, let you guys see it with a kind of different look. Instead of having that big beefy mud truck look, we have like a beefy, low and stanced out race truck look. I think it looks really good. I don't plan on getting rid of my Toros and Black Rhinos anytime soon. I'd like to maybe throw a set of polished wheels on this thing. I think it would look really good still with like the chrome caps on the mirrors, the chrome bumpers and stuff. But in all reality, it's probably not gonna happen. So I don't know, maybe if I run my Toros dry, I wouldn't mind grabbing a set of these Nittos because they look really good. And Nitto just actually came out with a different set of 420. It's a 420V, actually rated for trucks. So maybe that's something we will try because I do like having the aggressive looking stance with a really quiet tire, especially right now. I still have a stock exhaust for now. It's nice not having all that loud road noise of the Toro. So that's all I have for you guys. Probably gonna be putting the Toros back on, the Black Rhinos and the Toros back on, and that's gonna be it for the wheel changes for the next couple months at least. I gotta be honest, so like if you're watching this video live, the day it comes out on a Wednesday, typically I do upload on Wednesdays. Next Wednesday is Christmas, the Wednesday after that is New Year's, so I'm not gonna upload. I want you guys to spend time with your family. I'm gonna be spending time with mine. So the next 2 weeks I will be taking off, and then starting on the new year, the first Wednesday of the new year, we're gonna be starting back with Silverado content. I have tons and tons of parts starting to come in the mail. If you follow me on Instagram at j_wargo, you know what most of those parts are. So this thing will be having some kind of a transformation here in the next couple, well, I guess next year. So, which is only a couple weeks away. So it's starting to freezing rain right now. I'm freezing outside, getting all that B-roll. Hope you liked the video. Like it if you haven't already. Subscribe, join the family, join the build, and I will see you guys next year. Happy holidays. Peace.